And here we've had less than a tenth of that all season long. And that just ain't right, Mike.
It's not normal.
Neither was that accent.
We've had a little over 13 inches of snow so far for the whole season, but there is snow in the forecast and colder weather. Let me show you the end of today. We had some pretty clouds once again in the Denver skyline. These clouds beginning to show changes coming up in our weather over the next 24 hours. We will not see anything near the warm temperatures that we had today. As a matter of fact, over the next 2.5 days, take a look at how things are going to drop. From 60 that we had today at noon, by tomorrow morning we'll be at about 32, only get to the upper 30s to low 40s tomorrow. By Sunday morning, a 50-degree drop in temperature with a low of 10 degrees and snow in between. 61 was the official today. 35 has been the low. Record high, record low, a 100-degree difference from the minus 25 in 1936 to the 75 above in 1954. Currently, 52 degrees downtown, 50 at the airport. Pressure falling. Winds are from the west-southwest at 8. For tonight, dry roads in Denver through the morning, but freezing drizzle develops on the northeast plains. We get the snow developing here Friday night into Saturday. Look at the temperatures to the north of it. It's 4 at Rapid City, 6 at Pierce, South Dakota, 25 at North Platte. There's a front that's cutting right across the area and is pushing our way for tonight. It doesn't get into Denver overnight, but it will spread across northeast Colorado with freezing drizzle up around Sterling and Akron for tomorrow morning. Dry roads over most of the rest of the state. Temperatures will get cold up in the northeast corner. 13 at Sterling. Scottsbluff the same. 12 at North Platte. 17 at Akron. 27 at DIA. And downtown will stay at about 32 with mid-30s at Broomfield and Evergreen by early tomorrow morning. Once again, dry roads for the metro. But if you're out in the northeast plains, even close to Fort Morgan, could have some slick roads in the morning. The front is going to stall out right over the Denver area tomorrow. And what that means is the western part of the metro will stay pretty mild, maybe even low 50s, while it stays slippery with some snow continuing up around the Sterling, Akron, and western Nebraska area. High temperatures tomorrow, big variety. 66 at Trinidad, 60 at Pueblo, 43 in Denver, 20 for a high at Sterling, where they had a high of 61 degrees earlier today. Along the Front Range, you notice the milder air on the west and south side of town, colder the farther to the north and east you get. Tonight's forecast, 27, mostly cloudy and chilly. For tomorrow, the high temperature expected at 43. Again, colder to the northeast, warmer to the southwest. Slick in the morning on the northeast plains. And then the real business gets in here tomorrow night and into Saturday as the cold front sweeps southward. Colder air coming in. By the time we get to 8 a.m. Saturday morning, the snow beginning to develop. It moves out across the eastern plains during the day on Saturday. And it looks like it won't be a huge snowmaker, but a decent one, with temperatures cold enough and enough moisture to give us about 3.5 inches of snow in the Denver area. Mountains could get pretty good, anywhere from about 6 to 10 inches of snow out of this storm. So on the 7-day, tomorrow it's 43, turning colder. Snow colder on Saturday with a high of 28. Sunday cold in the morning at 10 and then 40 in the afternoon. We'll put the first alert action days for tomorrow and for Saturday with the change coming in. By Monday, partly cloudy. By Tuesday, a chance of some light snow or flurries. 50, warmest on the 7-day on Wednesday. Another chance of light snow or flurries next Thursday.
And it's not the deep freeze, so
nope.
that's good.
Not too bad.